The indicating tower is used to monitor the operating status of the equipment. The DYNAC or case packer may also include an optional intelligent light kit that will follow the same color and pattern as the stack light. These lights illuminate the equipment, making it easier to see from a distance. The lights are connected with the human-machine interface and follow the PAC-ML standards. Typically, the green light will flash when the machine is starting, then turn to a solid color while the equipment is running in the execute state. The light will be solid amber in the held state and will flash yellow if there is an internal warning or the equipment is transitioning into or out of the held state. The light will be solid blue in the suspended state and will flash blue if there is an external warning or if the equipment is transitioning into or out of the suspended state. The light will be solid red in the idle state and will flash red if the equipment is aborting or clearing. An audible alarm may be added to the stack light. The alarm will beep slowly if the equipment has stopped due to a fault condition, and will beep quickly when the equipment is starting.